Trying to estimate how long a project will take is like trying to predict the weather. Weather forecasts can be hit or miss, and an inaccurate prediction can mess up your plans or leave you caught in a storm without an umbrella. Project time estimations can also be hit or miss, but you need accurate time estimates to plan your project and assign your resources properly. In this video, we'll explore 4 different techniques to estimate time accurately. Learn them all, then choose the technique that works best for you. First up is a technique called bottom-up estimating. The bottom-up technique involves estimating how long all of your project tasks will take to complete individually, then adding all of your estimates together. The total is how long you can expect the entire project to take. For example, if you were creating a presentation deck, you might guess that it will take 2 hours of research, 1 hour to develop an outline, 3 hours to create slides, and 2 hours for design. Add them up, and you have a total of 8 hours to finish the presentation deck. Bottom-up estimating is known for accuracy, but it can be time-consuming for large projects with a lot of tasks. The opposite of bottom-up is top-down estimating. Second is top-down estimating. With this technique, you'll give a ballpark estimate for how long large groups of tasks or big project milestones will take. For example, you could group the tasks involved to create an online course into 3 milestones. You might guess that it will take you 3 days of research and outlining, 1 week to finish the course content, and 2 days to design it. That gives you a ballpark estimate of 2 weeks to complete the entire course. This technique isn't super accurate. It typically only is used in early stages of a project when you don't have all the information yet. Once you have more information, switch to another technique. The third technique is historical estimating, which is based on previous projects and historical data. You estimate how long a project will take based on your comparisons and data from similar projects completed in the past. So if you took 4 hours to create a comparable wireframe in the past, then you would estimate it will take you 4 hours to create a new one. Historical estimating is great if you work on a lot of similar projects. It's not so great for projects that are unlike anything else you've done before. Finally, the last time estimation technique is 3-point estimating. 3-point estimating involves making an optimistic, most likely, and pessimistic time estimate for each project task. You plug all 3 estimates into a formula to get a weighted average. Finally, you add all of the weighted averages together to get your project's total time estimation. 3-point estimating is the most complicated technique, but the extra estimates help you account for project risks. The formula you use to get your weighted average is your optimistic time estimate plus 4 times your most likely time estimate plus your pessimistic time estimate divided by 6. So let's break that down. Say your 3 time estimates are 1 hour, 5 hours, and 6 hours respectively. When you plug it into the formula, it gives you a weighted average of 4.5 hours to complete that task. Similar to bottom-up estimating, 3-point estimating is great for accuracy, but it does require the most effort of all the time estimation techniques. Accurate time estimation is essential for effective project scheduling. You can use one of the 4 time estimation techniques or try combining several. No matter what technique you end up using, remember that you don't have to go through the process alone. Lean on the insight, experience, and expertise of your project team for extra support and more accurate predictions.